4% challenge.
I'm a very happy participant in the 4% challenge.
4%ers.
I am so excited about the challenge.
Yoo-hoo! Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Enormously rewarding.
I've never seen anything like the challenge.
Teaches you how to become a successful entrepreneur.
It's an amazing program.
The biggest and most detailed project I've seen Vick put together.
Again, welcome aboard, welcome to the team, welcome to the 4%.
It's results oriented, it's very practical.
Completely mind-blowing.
I've never seen anything like this on the internet since I've been on the internet.
Pretty pumped, pretty excited.
Wow.
It's for online businesses, offline businesses, coaches, authors, network marketing especially.
I tried so many things before. It didn't work with me.
I knew this one was different from the first video.
Amazing system.
Hands down, the best training there is.
It's absolutely amazing.
Teaching us how to take action progressively.
You're getting world-class training, knowledge, and coaching by the best in the industry, Vick Strizheus.
We're going to be having a conversation. I'm going to be talking to you like I'm talking to my best friend who I want to succeed badly.
It starts giving you the tools that you need to start creating, the life that you want to create.
Vick every day gives you the success pill.
You get over the shoulder, step-by-step, detailed instruction on what to do to set yourself up for success.
Vick Strizheus is an awesome, awesome teacher.
The lessons were very easy to understand.
Nobody is teaching you the way that Vick is teaching you.
He makes it so much fun.
I want to teach you how to become the best at whatever it is that you're doing.
There's no course like it anywhere that I've seen, and that's just the truth.
Success starts with me.
One thing I can say about the 4% challenge is it's cradle to grave. I mean, it's step by step, it takes you by the hand, and it really lays it all out for you.
I'm new to internet marketing.
It teaches you how to earn $10,000 per month online in 6 months to a year.
We have created our goal card.
I've got my goal card.
Goal cards.
Goal cards. My 1-year goal and my 5-year goal.
I take this with me everywhere I go.
Goal card.
I look at my goal, I see it, I visualize it, and I make it happen. Why not?
Something that I focus on every single day.
You don't become overwhelmed. You're given a particular task to complete in a certain time frame every day.
In the way I think, in the way I carry myself, in the way I act.
Talking about posture, talking about your diet.
Showed me exactly what I need to do to make money with my business.
How to get your first results, your second results, how to scale, how to grow in business and life.
And if you just follow instructions, you will succeed.
Only 14 days into the program, I already see the change in my belief, mindset, and result.
When you see your first results, it actually gives you more confidence and you feel better and you want to do more even.
I was a bit skeptical at first because I've already went through several programs similar to this one.
It's working. I have already started to see results in my own business.
It's 10 below and I'm so fired up that I can stand out here and tell you that the challenge works.
The challenge has changed my mindset.
I've started getting sales already.
I'm only on day 14 and it is already starting to affect my business and my life, and I am super excited.
And I've already added 92 people to my list. I've had 4 sales.
Fun, I'm learning a lot, and I'm starting to make money.
Making progress.
I achieved results.
Daily, consistent progress.
Going to sleep at night and waking up in the morning with commissions is so sweet.
We've already generated a lot more contacts on our list. We've generated sales, we've generated commissions.
I've been able to make my first 10K online, and that's just with ClickFunnels alone since I started with the 4%.
Take the success pill for yourself.
Don't wait. Go into the challenge.
Success is staring right at you in the face.
This program is building my foundation from the ground up.
Priceless.
Love the 4% challenge.
Has changed my life, not only for me, but for my family as well.
This is the place to start.
And I wake up every day excited and can't wait to get into the next session.
I can't wait to see what's in store.
Come on, let's do this together. When you get past the clouds, my friend, it's sunny. It's beautiful.
And the value provided is just, it's insane.
It's off the scale.
Before, I don't think I was 100% there, but now I am.
If you don't take action and you don't initiate the change and make the change, nothing's gonna change. This is probably one of the best programs I've ever been in.
As far as I'm concerned, I'm addicted to this and I'm loving it.
So highly addictive.
It will
changed your life. The challenge is one of the best things I've ever started.
I wish I had this when I first started.
Jump on it guys, and I think you'll like the 4% challenge.
You'll become a master of traffic, master of marketing, master of creating whatever it is that you want to create for yourself.
Take the first step, have faith, have fun.
Get in and get started.
Do it now, before Vic decides that he's not charging enough.
You actually don't have a lot to lose at all.
I hope you get your new life, the new life that you deserve.
Stop what you're doing, go and sign up to the 4% and start the challenge. It's fantastic.
It's absolutely awesome. Hats off.
See for yourself. Just do it.
You can do this.